embarrassed. Why are you still filming me? Hey guys.
Okay, that was really bad. Okay, so today we're going to be demonstrating 8 to the power of 8. This is the question.
If there are 8 streets, each with 8 apartments, 8 floors per apartment, with 8 rooms in each apartment, with 8 teens in each room, and each teen had 8 kids, and each kid owned 8 dogs, and each dog had 8 puppies.
You're
How many
ugly.
puppies are there in total?
Okay, so to solve this problem, the total number of streets is equal to one set of 8, which is equal to 8 to the power of 1, which is equal to just 8 streets.
Alright, so pretty much, if you were going to talk about the 8 streets, that'd just be one set of 8, which is also known as the number 8.
Okay, so that would equal to 8 streets.
Oh my god! Wow!
To find the total number of apartments on each street, that would be equal to 8 to the power of 2, which is 8 times 8, which is equal to 64 apartments in total, which represents 2 sets of 8.
Yeah, and then with the floors on each apartment, it's round about the same thing. All you have to do is say that it's 3 sets of 8, which would be 8 to the power of 3, which would be 512.
Okay, so to find the total number of rooms in each floor, that would represent 4 sets of 8, which is equal to 8 to the power of 4. And 8 to the power of 4 is equal to 4,096 rooms in total.
Yeah, and then with the 8 teens, it demonstrates 5 sets of 8, which is also known as 5 to the power of
8 to the
or
power
8 to the power of 5, which would be 32,768.
And to continue this pattern, to find the total number of kids that each teen has, that would represent 6 sets of 8. And that would be 8 to the power of 6, which is equal to 262,000, which is equal to
2,000 years later.
262,144 kids in total.
Yeah, and then when you are calculating the dogs, it would be the dogs are demonstrating 7 sets of 8, which is also known as 8 to the power of 7, which would be 2,097,158.
Now for the final question. Okay, so how many puppies are there in total? So 8 sets of 8, which is equal to 8 to the power of 8. That would be equal to 16,777,216 puppies.
So, pretty much, you could say that you have to do 8 times 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 8, or you could just represent it using 8 to the power of 8 with exponents.
Oh my god, cool!
Like, okay, it was fun learning with you today.
Hey guys, thank you for watching.